For this pose, I am drawing Virgil from Devil May Cry. Now with this, I tried a different method for drawing this particular pose. I kind of made like a kind of like a little dummy, and I rarely do these for poses, but for this one, I felt that because of how his stance is and the way he's positioned, I wanted to try to use this to to draw it out. And the way his body shaped, as far as his torso, it kind of just was all out of the head. I wasn't really drawing from any particular figure. I kind of just used this as a reference in the way of figuring out where his shoulders would go and where his elbows would be, and trying to measure out where to position and place each hand on his sword. And for this one, you probably would see that the sword is more detailed than the figure itself, because I wasn't really, I was drawing the sword, and I was also trying to do the pose, but I was kind of, I guess I started liking how I drew the sword and I kept going along with it, which is why the sword is more of a finished product, while the pose is being more of a warm-up for something that you can erase later and draw and add details on. And for right now, I'm just adding in his fingers where I think is placed, and trying to darken in certain lines so I can define the pose a little bit more. And really at this stage, I can kind of erase it and go over it with the more detailed version to draw Virgil out a little bit more. But I decided to stop with this and work with what I got.